Hello everyone! Hydraulic brakes are a common type of braking system used in vehicles including cars. Here we have used syringe as syringe can be considered a simple hydraulic system. To make the hydraulic system, connect one tip of the syringe to the one end of the thin tube and another end of the tip of the second syringe and fill it with some liquid. In a hydraulic system, force is applied at one point and transmitted to another point using an incompressible fluid, typically oil or water. A syringe operates on the same basic principle. When you push the plunger, it applies pressure to the liquid inside, which then exerts force on the object or substance it is in contact with. Materials needed are 2 syringes, thin plastic tubing, sunboard, hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, DC motor, a 9-volt battery and some liquid. Let's start. Cut the sunboard into these shapes of rectangles and circles. Stick each shape to form 3D shapes like these. Cover each shape with color paper. Now let's assemble. Stick the wheel stand to the base. Stick the wheel to the DC motor. Connect the wires to the motor. Stick the 9-volt battery behind the wheel stand. Fix the DC motor to the stand. Connect the wires to the battery and test it. Now make brake pad syringe platform. Glue the stand to the base in front of the wheel. Add the platform for the brake paddle syringe. Glue the brake pad syringe. Glue the brake paddle syringe. Our hydraulic system is ready. Let's test. Now on the 9-volt battery to the DC motor so that wheel starts to rotate. When you push the plunger of the brake paddle syringe representing the brake lever, it exerts pressure on the water inside. This pressure is transmitted through the tubing to the brake pad syringe, acting as a brake caliper. The pressure applied in the syringe causes it to move, pushing the brake pads against the surface. The force applied to the brake pads simulates the action of a real hydraulic brake system, demonstrating the concept of hydraulic pressure transmission. When you pull the plunger of the syringe back, it releases the brake pedal. The pressure in the system decreases, allowing the wheels to rotate freely again. Thank you.